The Garage Air and Vac is a versatile tool that combines a vacuum cleaner, a blower, and a compressor. All in one, it mounts conveniently on the wall and really shines when you are working in compressor mode. It reaches a pressure of about 7 atmospheres, which is enough for passenger cars and even some trucks if you need more power. There is a version that goes up to 9.5 atmospheres in blower mode. It can easily handle air mattresses or your neighbors. Delight in blowing trash out of the garage and into the street and then activating the blow gun, especially since you get an optional 15. The garage air hose and vacuum are also great for cleaning. It's about twice as powerful as regular vacuums and works well with attachments for cleaning floors and carpets and hard to reach areas. The garage air and vac start at $2,950. That's the price of the direct delivery from the factory. The cost of Sealy modular ramps is shockingly high. The price of the PK01 variant is $1,116. Let's examine the factors that justify that cost. First off, the ramp is lightweight due to its polypropylene construction. The two pieces weigh only 76 kilograms combined, but don't undervalue that. The PRK1 can sustain 2 tons per section. Both domestic users and commercial buyers such as operators of auto repair shops will find its 4-ton capacity appealing. Second, the ramp's basic length of 4.6 meters can be changed because it is modular. Thirdly, the pieces are ideal for working with passenger automobiles because they are a handy 35 centimeters broad. Last but not least, you can get underneath the car without any inspection thanks to the 17 centimeter high air ramp. A simpler and more affordable option is available on the Risk Racing Team's website. Instead of spending thousands of dollars on other products from this video, you can buy a bunch of these utility jugs. The smallest model, the Easy 3, holds 11 liters and costs $40. It's worth mentioning that these jugs aren't meant for drinking water. They are much better suited for storing oil, hydraulic fluids, antifreeze, and other chemicals. They are made of thick HDPE plastic with weathers made of anodized aluminum and a nitrile rubber gasket. The main feature of the Easy family is the combination of two handles and a special notch, making it easy to grasp and pour out every last drop when the jug is almost empty. The Easy 3 weighs just a kilogram to keep it secure and prevent it from sliding around in the trunk or cargo area. The manufacturers have created a clever anodized steel mount that works well with a padlock. From trash cans to a ball on a string, people have come up with all sorts of parking aid systems. Even seasoned drivers can struggle to fit their cars into tight spaces, especially after a long day at work, but now there's a solution. Mitchell Tinger, founder of the company Emo Gizmo, offers a system called Parker Dot. It uses the default safety sensors that are built into garage doors by law to be compatible. You need a garage door opener made no earlier than 1997 by Chamberlain Craftsman or LiftMaster. Installation is incredibly simple, taking just 3 steps and 20 minutes if you park in reverse. The system will help as long as its red signal dot is visible in your side mirror. The price of a Parker Dot on Kickstarter is started at $29. One excellent technique to arrange your garage is using a slat wall. Special plastic panels are mounted on the walls and anything from spare tires to tools can be placed on them. Slat walls are resistant to water, chemicals, oil, and UV radiation and can sustain up to 453 kilograms per square meter. The cost of one 60 into 120 centimeter panel is $100. Anything magnetic can be picked up by Pickup Pal. It is intended to benefit both auto owners and do-it-yourselfers who like doing repairs around the house. For example, Pickup Pal makes it safer to handle and transport nails, screws, and other sharp objects and can assist you in finding stainless steel bolts in a large pile. The cost of Pickup Pal is $12. The Garage Boss team thinks this is where you should start when it comes to properly disposing of your used oil. These oil drain pans are available from them. The GBO 78 model costs $30.5 and has a 12-liter capacity. The GBO 78 is only 15 centimeters tall and these trays are useful for antifreeze and other liquids. The attached funnel makes draining quick, clean and simple, so it's worth the tiny price. Flexit is a fantastic investment for anyone who spends a lot of time working on their car. This work light is not only flexible and compact but also it delivers a bright 1000 lumens and it securely attaches with 2 hooks or 4 neodymium magnets. Flexit comes with its own 4400 mAh battery which lasts up to 24 hours at minimum brightness. The luminous strip is 51 cm long, rotates 160 degrees and folds up to a compact size of 13 into 13 into 4 centimeters. This makes it easy to fit in your tool bag or even many glove compartments. The system is also well protected, housed in a shockproof case that's resistant to dirt, grease and accidental splashes. It's perfect not just for the garage but also for camping trips. Just make sure you have $40 ready. The lift's inventor got the concept from his experiences with his daughter and 2 boys, all of whom participate actively in different sports. In an attempt to recover his workstation, their garage swiftly turned into a storage catastrophe. The lift was invented by the father. In its conventional form, this lifting and storing device has a capacity of up to 136 kilograms. The elevator has a 4.5 cord and is powered by a 120-volt home outlet. The starting price is $499. OPM Sport was created with motorcycle riders in mind. You can remotely unlock garage doors with this little gadget which fits on the handlebars and is roughly the size of a bike computer. The team that created it claims that it has broad compatibility with a variety of drives. Jalop has a stellar history of running profitable Kickstarter campaigns with millions of dollars raised. For $139, you can see OPM Sport's potential. A useful mini cart for tools and small stuff like bolts is the Mechanic Tool Creeper. Its most notable feature is a circular flashlight that can be taken out when necessary and shine for up to 9 hours continuously. The Creeper is only 10 centimeters high, costs $50 and has several pieces that make it simple to arrange the tools and materials needed for repairs. This upbeat specialist works for Grier's Garage, which offers a dual-purpose gadget under the modest code 51148132375. An hour of use is guaranteed by the integrated rechargeable battery, which also happens to be compatible with smartphone chargers. The regular tank has a capacity of 1.6 liters. The cost of this tool is $130. This upbeat specialist works for Grier's Garage, which offers a dual-purpose gadget under the modest code 51148132375. An hour of use is guaranteed by the integrated rechargeable battery, which also happens to be compatible with smartphone chargers. The regular tank has a capacity of 1.6 liters. The cost of this tool is $130. Next on the list is a PowerTech set. Look at it if you fix little dings all the time. A fantastic set that comes with 2 metal and 4 plastic parts costs $19. Along with the PowerTech Glue-Matic glue gun, it is also compatible with sliding hammers. For the benefit of automobile owners and many others, the Urban Transit team unveiled a product, a stool that doubles as a bucket tray and cart and is ideal for a variety of jobs including cleaning, gardening and painting. It has a steel frame with a maximum weight capacity of 159 kilograms. The EVA foam seat is easy to ride and comfortable to sit on because it is adjusted to a reasonable height of 47 centimeters. It contains 5 360-degree rotating wheels. The cost of the stool is $180. When it comes to managing numerous small components, the Gecko Trip Tray collection is ideal. These vibrant green aids adhere to surfaces with a uniform texture and are composed of food-grade silicone. Because Gecko Trip Trays can tolerate temperatures of up to 199 degrees Celsius, they won't be harmed by hot engine components. Additionally, the silicone cleans readily with simply water and soap and is resistant to oils and solvents. The cost of 27 into 20 into 2.5 centimeter tray is $44. A multi-purpose pump, the Sealy TP6818 can handle anything from water to diesel fuel. If necessary, a car battery can be used to power it directly. The pump runs in 15-minute intervals, with a 30-minute break in between. It weighs slightly over 2 kilograms and has a maximum pumping capacity of 16 liters per minute. The cost of this pump is $597. It would be impossible to talk about automobile items without including jacks, would it? Some even construction their own with remarkable outcomes. This green variant, for example, has a 2300 kilograms lifting capacity, although factory-made jacks are also very capable. The Lenica Brazil-made jack can handle up to 3000 kilograms and folds into a small 60 into 160 into 20 centimeters rectangle for convenient storage. The regular easy car lift type is driven by an electric drill and can raise 2000 kilograms to a height of over 60 centimeters in less than 90 seconds. While we are talking about this, let's examine twin bush engineered systems. The thin shape of both alternatives on the screen makes them scissor lifts. They don't require compressed air to work and can be folded up to fit under sports automobiles. They have a load capacity of 3 and 3.5 tons. Cars may be raised up to 1 meter with more sophisticated system, which costs $2,832. The Smart Disc is the name of this useful gadget. It is intended to facilitate the movement of tires, rims, and wheel assemblies. Manually transporting them can be difficult, but this clever disc 160 kg load capacity allows it to hold multiple items at once. For $126, it's a fairly practical tool all around. Grip Clean is well known for its strong soap that effortlessly cleans common garage filth such as oil stains from your hands. They also have a robust dispenser that works well with a $17 3.7 liters plastic tanks. The soap's potent lime aroma will transport you to the Caribbean, and it's created from olive oil and dirt. The cost of the dispenser is $59. Returning to the subject of garage space organization, these racks from Gravity Grabbers are designed with sports and outdoor equipment in mind. Fishing rods, skateboards, snowboards, and skis may all be stored neatly in the racks. Hockey sticks among other things. Installing one simply requires a 20 into 15 centimeters wall space, and each holder has a 9 kilograms capacity. There is hardly anything to shatter because gravity performs all the job. A set of 3 holders costs $70. You may currently purchase this set for 3 small diamond-coated files at the Laser Tool website. They are ideal for cleaning terminals, connections, and contacts, and each file is 19 centimeters long and varying widths of 6, 9, and 15 millimeters. The cost of the set is $42. Aries ratchets like the 42120 are made for fairly peaceful duties, despite the fact that you might think they are named for the Greek god of war. From mounting a holder on a bike frame to repairing an automobile engine, the kit displayed here can make a variety of tasks easier for you to do. The set cost $40 and the ratchets contain 90 teeth with heads that spin 250 degrees. The drive size is 6.35 millimeters. A number of flexible containers that serve as oilers are available on the Laser Tools website, which we have already discussed today. In actuality, the straightforward design includes a lot of practical functions. For example, by rotating both the oiler and the lid, you can change the stream's thickness. The primary component is composed of PD plastic, which is capable of handling diesel fuel, and it operates inverted. There are 3 sizes available: 125, 250 and 500 milliliters. The price of the milliliters size is $21.50.